Hi, everybody. I'm recording for Thursday, February 24th. This recording is only for those who are absent today because they're sick. So Damien and Jay, if you are listening to this video, this is not the video I want you to watch. I have a video in Schoology that's marked with your names, and that's the video I want you to watch. Everybody else, you're watching this video because you are sick or you had a doctor's appointment or something and you are absent. All right, so here's our objective. The student will compose an answer to the investigation question using descriptions at the molecular scale. Basically what that means is, yesterday we read an article, and again, if you were gone yesterday, make sure that you read this article, read it and annotate it. It's called Atomic Zoom In, and the reading question is, why do different substances have different properties? We know they do, but why do they? We are going to be in Amplify 1.5 today. We're not doing all activities. Actually, we're only doing activities 1 through 4. So I will probably change that. And then so when you see this video, that will be different. We do have a homework assignment. It is complete CR, that's chemical reactions, 2 samples at the atomic scale. It's a paper PDF modeling tool. The kids in class got a paper copy. I'm giving you the digital copy in this folder. And so that's what you may not be able to understand on your own how to do that. So if you're sick today or if you're absent today, please make sure that you come in and see me and I'll explain that. Okay? A couple things very quickly. When you log into Amplify today to do this lesson, we'll go 1.5. I want you to do the warm-up. You're going to be investigating the substances in SIM. So we're going to do the SIM activity. And I want you to see this real quick. The SIM activity is on the second page. And there's this link, Chemical Reactions and Simulation. Now, when you get to it, there's no fancy opening page. This is the opening page and that's it. For today's activity, it's important that you come up to these 3 lines, and I want you to click Chemical Stockroom Mode. It'll automatically default to Laboratory A, and I don't want that. We're going to do the Chemical Stockroom. Basically, it's like you're going into a closet and you're looking at all the chemicals that are in there. And just to kind of help you out, in this mode, you can click on a maximum of 3 chemicals to look at, and these are actually what's known as compounds or molecules. There are 2 or more repeating atomic groups, and so you guys can mess around with this in here, find out what the properties are. You can bend them, like this one bends and it doesn't break apart. This one bends because it breaks apart. That's because this is a solid that is not granular. This one is a solid and it's kind of a powder or it's granular. It breaks off into smaller pieces. Okay? Anyway, I'll let you guys go through and play around with that. You'll notice that the molecular model is here on the left side. The symbol is right here, the chemical symbol for that compound. And then the name of the compound is underneath it as well. And there are quite a few things in here that you can take a look at. So I'll let you mess around with that. We did a second read of the Atomic Zoom In, specifically to focus on the answer to that question. And I'll tell you, here it is. I want you to reread this section right here where it starts with how atoms make your orange juice smell good and your socks smell bad. Remember, the question is, why do different substances have different properties? Reread this section, and it goes into all of page 2, and then just a little teeny tiny bit on page 3, okay? And then lastly is this homework assignment. And again, let's just wait for you to get back and talk to me one-on-one before you understand this homework assignment, okay? All right, you guys, let me know if you have any questions. And again, for the 7th time, please make sure that you talk to me when you get back.